Hey kids, take a look. Welcome to Lean Woodworks. Hey, we all know this shop. We know what shop this is. I've been working on my small dust collector. I don't like big dust collectors. I like an individual dust collector. But anyway, this is the smallest one that Delta makes. But, you know, they claim it's a 750 CFM. It's got the little bag on the bottom. Now, and I bought the upgraded filter for it. It's great, right? I bought the upgraded filter from Wynn Environmental. And the installation went great and the performance was awesome. But you know, after a time, your filter will become clogged. So I built my own little shaker attachment for it. You know, got a little rheostat, got a 30-watt concrete vibrator. Built me a donut, got a little stair step in it. Let me just show you. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna vibrate my shaker. Look at it, look at that shaking. There you go. That's cleaning out my filter. That's gonna keep my filter good to go. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Now the numbers here are a little bit crazy. How you gotta get this tight. You really gotta work within tight tolerances. Hey, look, if I get some likes, comments, maybe a few subscribers off of this video, I'll tell you what, I'll make an detailed video and make plans available on how to do this to your Wynn Environmental setup. I don't need a $2,000 dust collector, although some of the ones that Oneida makes and stuff I really like because I'm really into this stuff. But for me, lean and efficient, small, compact, transportable, everything I want. Good flow. This little Delta one comes with a great motor and impeller, by the way. And it just great flow. Single stage, don't have to do all that double stage stuff. Just clean it up, dump my bag when I need to, and it's great. Once again, I'll do the filter for you again. I'll go ahead and turn that on. And you can see that. You see that? Look at that. That filter's cleaning itself. Great. I hope you guys like it. Sorry I'm not on camera today, got things going on, but I did finish this project today. I wanted you guys to see it. Now, if you want another video on it, more details, me on camera, showing some stuff, doing some demos, talking about the build structure and everything, let me know in the comments and the likes, subscriptions, please like and subscribe. If you want to see how to do this, let me know in the comment section and leave a like. And if I get some response, I'll go ahead and I'll make a detailed video and show you how to make this Wynn Environmental thing, crank it up another notch. So let me know. Thank you. Thank you for watching Lean Woodworks. Have a great day.